Welcome back to another edition of Tiffany Baby TV. It's your girl Tiffany. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I am bringing you a signature wig, which is part of a collaboration that I am doing. I am so excited to be a part of this collaboration, you guys. I am working with some of my absolute favorites on this video. We are working on a wig name game. Hashtag wig name game, yes! We're going to be installing this one from start to finish, so I hope that you're comfortable so that you can watch me work. Monique Nicole is the YouTuber that reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in participating in this collaboration. Shout out to Monique, that's my girl. If you guys are not familiar, her information will be in the description box below, as well as all of the other ladies that we are participating with. In addition to the fabulous Monique and Tiffany Baby, we have Queendom Mindset, Wheezy's Wig Reviews, Disastrous Beauty, and last but certainly not least, my girl, Shining Star. Each one of these ladies is going to be bringing you her own signature name slay. And when I say signature name slay, this is what I mean. The wig that I'm reviewing for you today is called Tiffany. This wig comes from the Brazilian Secret Collection. She is a 100% Remy human hair blend. This wig does come in the color 99J, but she is also available in all of the regular colors that you would expect. This is what the wig looks like. Yes, I have it in the 99J. You guys know I love this color, but I don't rock it that often. I really needed more of these in my collection. So when I thought about the color, the style, or what type of wig I would like for my own personal unit, it would definitely be this color. I absolutely love this shade on myself. If I was going to make my own Tiffany wig, Zuri would definitely be the manufacturer. You guys know that Zuri has my heart forever and ever. I love you guys. Shout out to Zuri for always coming through with the slay. Alright, so let me tell you about this unit itself. This unit does have ear-to-ear lace. It has 2 combs in the front. You have 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. What this wig does not have, however, is lace parting. You get a very, very small amount of lace right in the front that we will be able to use. This is what the hairline looks like in its natural state before I've plucked it at all. It does have a nice defined shape, but it is rather dense, so I am going to be plucking and customizing that. Okay, so right onto my head, this is what the unit is looking like. It is a very silky texture. I'm not really experiencing any tangling. I am getting a little bit of shedding, but nothing that I'm worried about at all. This unit is extremely long. I'm going to stand up so that you guys can see exactly how long it is. I'm going to be installing this today for you guys using my Got To Be Glued gel. I will also be using my freeze spray, also from Got To Be, to help hold this down. While I work, I'm going to tell you guys a little story about how I got my name. So there's actually 2 stories as to how I ended up named Tiffany. So Tiffany actually means the appearance of God, okay, first of all. So I'm pretty partial to my name for that reason, the appearance of God. Second of all, my mother, when I was little, told me that she was a little girl growing up in Chicago. They grew up very poor, so she said that she always would walk past the Tiffany jewelry store, and to her that was just the epitome of class, elegance, and she was really impressed with the name of the store and knew from a young age that that was what she wanted to name her daughter. Here I am today named Tiffany. Now the second version of that story is told by my Aunt Christine. I have a cousin, an older cousin, also named Tiffany. So now, apparently, according to my Aunt Christine, when she was pregnant with her daughter, my older cousin Tiffany, my parents went down south to visit. And my mother alleges that she told my Aunt Christine then that if she had a little girl, that she would name her Tiffany. Now, according to my Aunt Christine, that conversation never took place. My Aunt Christine alleges that she came up with the name Tiffany from the soap opera that she used to watch every day, and that was always what she intended to name her child. So now you see where the conflict comes in. Who originally came up with the name of Tiffany? The world may never know. Here's another Tiffany baby fun fact. So that Aunt Christine, who allegedly came up with the name for her daughter Tiffany entirely on her own and without my mother's help, is actually responsible for the name of my channel as well. So every summer we would always go down south, Memphis, Tennessee, to visit my cousins and my aunts and my great-grandmother. And we would stay at my Aunt Christine's house. And you know, being down south, they're a little country, just a little bit. Shout out to my family, I love y'all. So my Aunt Christine would always scream up the stairs for her daughter when she was calling for her. And I always thought it was so funny because it would always go something like this. Tiffany! No A-N-Y, just K-N-E-E. Tiffany. And that's where Tiffany baby was born. So I'll tell you a little bit more about this unit. It's definitely very comfortable. It's big head friendly. This is not a brand or a line that I was familiar with before searching for this wig, so I'm definitely glad that I found it, and I do recommend it. I am so excited to see the other ladies' slays and how they do and how they look and how their name wigs look. I feel like I'm really lucky because this Tiffany baby unit is definitely Tiffany baby unit. Because this Tiffany girl unit is definitely something that I would rock on a regular basis, even if it wasn't for this collab. I'm going to tie this down and give this a chance to completely dry before I style it. So this is about how much lace you get. The tracks start right here, so parting is pretty much out of the question. Alright guys, so this is how Tiffany girl turned out. I love this, you guys. Literally the only thing that I would change if this was a wig that I had created myself for myself is I would have put some big body waves into this. You guys know I'm a sucker for a body wave unit. A straight unit is always a good slay to have in the closet, but a big body wave unit with some juicy curls, just can't beat it for me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this collaboration. Make sure that you guys go check out all of my friends to see all of their signature wigs. This wig name game challenge has been so much fun. Thank you again, Monique, for asking me to participate. You can still participate by using the hashtag #WigNameGame. Make sure that you tag those photos on Instagram and let us see your slays. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with Tiffany Baby TV today. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that button before you go. It's been a pleasure bringing you this slay today, you guys. I hope that you tune in for the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, loves.